Hi everyone, we will going to discuss about assignment operators today. You can able to see the operators which are available here. So we will going to discuss about this one. So what I will going to do, basically assignment operator is nothing but it's a symbol which helps you to assign a value to particularly to variables. Okay. Example, I will going to take a variable integer a is equal to some value you provide. So anything like 8 like that. Again, you take a variable something like integer b. So you provide a value something like 2. Okay. So what I will do, I wanted to add these both the variables a and b. For that, what I will going to do, instead of writing like this, so what I will going to do, a is equal to a plus b. I can able to write in this way. So usually people know this way we can able to write it. So basically, if I write like this, we can able to understand a value is 8, b value is 2. Again, finally add 2. Again, finally we're going to get the a value is 10 like that. We know this one. So we'll want to print it first. After that, we will understand what is this exactly. What is the difference between all those things? A different type of expression we will going to see you. We will see that. Okay. So that is 10 we are getting. Now what I will going to do, instead of writing like this, I will going to commit this. Instead of writing like this, what I will going to do, I will going to write a plus is equal to, okay. So b, I will going to write like this. So this is also okay. Same meaning, whatever the things we have done here, okay, this expression is equivalent to this particular expression. It gives you the same meaning. That is what exactly I'm talking about here. So when you run this one, automatically we will going to see the same answer, exact answer. That is 10. Okay, like that. So you can able to do for all the operators. Okay, so whichever I mentioned here, all the operator, for every operator you can able to say do like that. I will going to just, I will going to mention here minus, here I will going to mention minus. So run it, you will learn to understand. Just I will going to comment this one as well. Okay, 8 minus 2, you're going to get the value, that is 6. Okay, getting. So another one, we have multiplication, all those things. For everything we can able to do that one. It's very simple and easy one. But I will going to show you something different here. Okay, so if you want it, you can able to change it here. Okay, so I will change here this one like that. Again here like this. So when you do this one, automatically you will going to get it a is equal to a star b, nothing but you will going to get the value 16. So like this you can able to do the division also. Okay, I mentioned the division operator here and run it, you will going to get the answer still. Okay, again if you want it, you can able to use, okay, modulus operator like this. Okay, run it, you will going to get the answer. Okay, remainder you will going to get it. So this is what exactly these operators will do, but I will going to show you something that is very very necessary as well as very very important one. Suppose what I will going to do, I will going to add this a and b. A is equal to a plus b. Okay, so when you do this, basically we are getting the value, but I will go to change the type here. Suppose like short. Okay, short, I will going to mention the short here. Again here I will going to mention this, instead of int I will going to mention short. Okay, so basically short is, compared to integer, short length is lesser. Okay, short will going to take 2 bytes, but integer will going to take 4 bytes of memory compared to short. So that is the reason why you can able to find the error over here. So when you cannot able to add, because the reason is the data type is totally mismatching here. When you add these two integers, a is an integer, b is an integer, you are adding an integer, but you are storing into the short. But actually it is integer value that cannot be stored into the short. So that is the reason why one very very important requirement is, so that is we have to do the typecasting. What I will going to do, I will going to convert this expression into another data type, that is called it as short data type. I will going to convert this one into short. Okay, like this. I will going to convert this. Just convert it. So when you convert this one automatically, so whatever the addition you will going to do a plus b, that will be integer. That integer value is converted into short. Again, you can able to store into a. That is what exactly I wanted to talk about. So run it now. You can successfully we can able to run it very clearly. So that is 10. So these are all assignment operators. When you are doing an assignment operator, you should be very careful with the type which you have declared, data type which you have declared, whether it is having a less memory, whether it is consuming a less memory or more memory. You have to check it out. Again, you have to sort out the problem. So this is all about assignment operators. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.